What is Pareto chart?
A Pareto chart is a graphical tool used for analyzing and focusing the most significant factors or problems within the set of data. It named after Wilfredo Pareto, an Italian economist who observed that the small number of causes typically account for the large percentage of effects.
What is the rule of Pareto chart?
Rule. The Pareto rule states that for many events, roughly 80% of effects come from the 20% of the causes. This is often called 80-20 rule.
What is the example of Pareto chart?
Example, a Pareto chart for sales shows that 80% of the sales come from the three products and 20% comes from the remaining products. If you want to know how to implement this chart in Power BI, please watch our video. You will find the link in the description box.
Thank you for watching. I kindly request you to please subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video.